Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into GitHub Actions, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.github.com and hit enter. You will be taken to the GitHub homepage. If you already have a GitHub account, locate the sign in option on the upper right corner of the page. Click on sign in to proceed. You will be redirected to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Once both fields are filled, click on the green sign in button. If your credentials are correct, you will be logged into your GitHub account. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you may be prompted to enter a verification code. Check your authentication method, whether it's a mobile app or SMS, and enter the code. After successfully logging in, you'll land on your GitHub dashboard. To access GitHub Actions, navigate to the repository you want to work with. On the repository page, look for that Actions tab in the menu bar. Click on that Actions tab to enter the GitHub Actions section. You will now see various workflows that have been set up. If no workflows are present, you'll have the option to create a new workflow. Click on New Workflow to start configuring your GitHub Actions. Select a template or set up a workflow from scratch depending on your needs. Edit the YAML file to customize your workflow. Once you have your workflow ready, commit your changes to save. Congratulations, you have now logged into GitHub Actions and set up your first workflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.